What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from Safer Wholesale, and today what we're doing is a little video on the club car Tempoe. This is a 2020. Now this one here, we went ahead and refurbed it. It's got brand new rim and tire on it. This one here also, we installed a brand new light kit. You've got a brand new flip seat on the back as well. And that will come with this vehicle. That will come with this vehicle here. And then again, this one here, it is extra, but we went ahead and installed the brand new set of AGM batteries. So that is an additional cost. Otherwise, they will come with the used set of Trojan batteries. You'll still get some time on them, but these right here are brand new in this vehicle. Now, we also put a little speed increaser on it, so it goes a little bit faster, about 15 miles per hour. And again, it's got the nice light kit on it. You can use this on the course right here, storage right there in the front. Obviously, your parking brake right there like so. And to give it a go, you just simply push your foot right there on the gas and take it for a ride. Now, if you're looking for a windshield, we can ship them to you. We can give you a used windshield for a real low price. So you just call us up and we can ship these nationwide via car carrier right to your front door. We're located at 1333 South Schoolhouse Road, New Lenox, Illinois. Or once again, we can ship them fully ready to go via car carrier right to your front door. Like I said, club cars, we also have the Renegade models. And this one here, like I said, brand new lights. You got the nice, by the way, this one here, this is a 12-inch rim and tire on this one right here, okay? And this one here, again, very, very nice. And again, we can ship them nationwide right to your front door. You call us today.